If your Spectrum app keeps crashing on your Apple TV, here's what's likely happening. App crashes can stem from several sources: outdated app versions, conflicting with tvOS updates, network instability causing buffering errors, your Apple TV running too many apps at once, compatibility issues with your Apple TV model, or even problems on Spectrum servers during maintenance. As of September 2025, while the Spectrum app, version 25.2 or later, is generally stable, crashes still occur for about 15 to 20% of users. A key issue involves the newest Apple TV 4K, third generation, and its A17 Pro chip's memory management, which the Spectrum app isn't fully optimized for, though patches are being released to address this. Let's start with the basic troubleshooting steps for the Spectrum app on your Apple TV. Now for more advanced troubleshooting fixes.